Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Journey Crossroad. This one's red. Under the hood's a 3.6 V6. This one has 19-inch wheels. Inside we've got a black interior, sunroof. Come around back. Tires are in good condition. We've got our Journey badging with Crossroad Flex Fuel. This one has third row seats as well. Fold down rear seats, fresh set of floor mats. Come along back here. We've got rear seat entertainment, climate controls for the rear, video input, a keyless entry, Alpine sound system, power seats, heated steering wheel controls, push start ignition, a nice big touchscreen media display, rear backup camera, heated seats, navigation, dual climate controls, a USB and auxiliary output, 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has Carfax and service history and only has 9,209 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.